Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Evan and we react to pop culture and pop music here on the channel. Now tonight we have a really exciting one. We're going to be getting into the two live SNL performances by Billie Eilish that just happened the other night. So she did Birds of a Feather and she did Wildflower. And I am really excited. I did listen already to the Wildflower live that she did in the studio, but for this one, I'm really excited to see her live on SNL and see what she can bring to the table. So guys, first we are going to react to her doing Birds of a Feather, and then we're going to react to Wildflower. So Birds of a Feather comes first, and
ladies and gentlemen, Billie Eilish.
go vote. This is a really cool angle, and I love the Hit Me Hard and Soft shoes. Is she like on top of a box with the camera? Okay, vocals. She was. Love that she has Phineas with her. I don't know what his haircut's doing, but what's that behind the wall? Phineas looks so high. They're both getting into it. They're all moving. It's so cool. That was a piano or a mixer. Okay. He's into it. Billy's proud. Love that ending. That is so just amazing. I love the use of the live instruments. It just really makes a difference. I mean, the studio version is still absolutely amazing, but having those live instruments, it just really, I feel like, brought out even more in the performance than even just listening to the studio version. The studio versions. Her vocals, Billie has some of the most authentic vocals of an artist nowadays. Like there's obviously like some tracks I feel like she uses more auto-tune than others, and I feel like it's not auto-tune to correct her voice to the perfect pitch or anything. It's auto-tune in that it's like distorting, which is an interesting and amazing way that I'm really liking seeing some artists using this auto-tune on their voice. And it's a great, I think it's one of my favorite things that some of these artists are doing, especially Billie. But yeah guys, so that was number one. So now we do have video number two. Now this is, like I said, to Wildflower, also off SNL. So let's just go ahead and get straight into it.
Once again, Billie Eilish.
You know what I would give to be in that audience? This will be the one we get the great vocals on. I like the reflection on the floor. I didn't notice that in the Birds of a Feather, but again, those live instruments make such a difference. Come on, vocals. That was great. I'm not gonna like compare their performances, but I think I might have liked this version of Wildflower more than I like the version of Wildflower that she did in. I don't know if she did it in Electric Lady or where. I know the video's on YouTube. It might be Spotify sessions. I don't really remember. Billie, like I said before, is just one of those artists that has such a naturally beautiful voice. I've never heard a song or performance from her where she didn't sound just absolutely amazing. And her and Phineas are just amazing at what they do, and I love getting to watch them do what they do. And I hope you guys feel the same. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of these live performances down in the comment section below, because I'm living. I found Billie when her EP came out, which I know there's people that have known her a lot longer than me, but it's amazing to see where she's came since her EP and her debut album, her sophomore album, and now her third studio album. And she's getting so much recognition, and she's so deserving. Definitely one of my favorite artists to be watching, to see what they do and how they do it. But like I said, you guys let me know down in the comment section below what you guys thought of these performances. And while you guys are down there, if you wouldn't mind to go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Also hit the share button and share this video with a friend. And if you guys are interested in uncut, unedited versions of these videos, those do get uploaded on my Patreon, and they do get posted earlier than here on YouTube. And the link to that and all of my social medias will all be linked down in the description below. Go check them out, and I'll see you guys soon for some more music and pop culture reactions. Peace.